Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So I'm going to do a reading for our lovely Virgos right now. Just keep in mind, since it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. So let's see what we have for our lovely Virgos. It's too many cards. Okay, so Virgos, this could be a career read, family situation, or a love situation. So let's start with your reading. This is not your current energy. This is your past energy. You were in a lot of despair and sadness. You still might be feeling sadness a little bit, maybe angry, but you are not in despair mode anymore like you were, and something caused this, whatever caused this despair. It could have been, if it's a love connection, then there was a lot of hollow promises made to you. If it's a career situation, you weren't appreciated for the effort you were putting in, and a lot of in your work situation, a lot of snakes around you, like saying good things, on your face, but behind your back, and they were saying something else behind your back, and you got to know about that. If it's a work situation, if it's a family situation, then there have been few people who have been troubling you, maybe even try to disrupt your marriage. I'm getting for some of you. So they couldn't disrupt, but they did cause they were able to cause some fights. That is what put you in pain. So if going again for the love connection, whether you're married to this person, or this is a past person, or you are in temporary separation, so this person, because this was caused because the person kind of walked away from you, pulled away from you emotionally. In some ways, you felt the distance, the emotional distance between you and your person. Like you felt like energetically they are pulling away from you, emotionally they are just like they are guarding themselves emotionally, because somebody got into that person's head. But this is the past energy. This is what has happened. But now, and this person guarded themselves, like they started withdrawing emotionally from you, or you could have been, and when this person started withdrawing from you emotionally, you kind of put on a brave face. I'm not saying that you aren't brave, but at that time you put on a brave face. You hid your feelings about being hurt. You pretended that you aren't affected, but you were. So you you were affected. Were hurt you were hurt a lot. Even if it's a career situation, also, if it's a workplace also, you pretended, you put on like a fake strong, like a strong thing, that okay, you aren't affected by what these people are saying or how that person is treating you, and you're like all okay, fine, whatever, I don't give a damn types. But you did. You're human. You are human. You felt those emotions. You were suffering internally. That because we are humans, we feel hurt when someone doesn't treat us right. That is absolutely natural. But you did not want this other person to see what you were feeling. And that happens sometimes when we are hurt. We try to hide. We mostly because we think that if we hide, that is we are being strong by by faking that we aren't affected. But that's not true. No matter how hard of a face you put up, or armor you put up, we all get affected. All of us get affected. We all get hurt. We all feel this way. So it is okay to feel hurt. Feeling hurt is being just human. It does not, or feeling sad, it does not mean that you're weak or that you're not brave. I'm human. I feel sad sometimes. I feel hurt. But that does not mean that I am weak or I am not brave. It's okay to feel hurt. It's okay to feel sad. These emotions is what makes us human. In fact, a good human. And the compassion. So these are things that make us a good human being. And you, whenever, since it's a timeless guidance, whenever you come across this video, it is okay to feel that way. You are just being human. You're not weak. This doesn't mean that you're weak. So this was the energy that was going on for you for a while. So whenever you come across this video, now there has been change in the energy in your life, whether it's career or family. There is going to be a big shift. It's like going to happen within a day, overnight, or within a week. Whenever you see this video, then you come across it. It's like it's timeless guidance. So it is going to happen like overnight, within a week, maybe 10-12 days. So there is going to be huge energy shift. You are the suffering. There's a Chariot card, so that's a movement card. So angels, divine has got your back. You are going to move out of this feeling, this hurt feeling. You are going to move. You are going to be healed. And how you are going to be healed is because you are going to get higher level of commitment. If it's a love connection, it's a person who hasn't been treating you right, hasn't been appreciating you, will start appreciating you, will make it up to you. If you're married, if you're in separation, the person will come back and apologize. If it's a career situation, you will get a promotion. sorry. So if it's a career situation, you will get a promotion, some kind of higher or your promotion or a salary hike or something, if it's a career situation. So whatever sadness you went through, that will be healed, and you will move on from that, and you will get, this is this is divine blessing you're getting. This is like the blessing is just flowing out. The water is, it's basically the light is here. You have been through enough, and you have grown from this situation. This was necessary for you to grow in some ways. Some of you, because of this situation, you have grown spiritually. Some of you, your few things in your personality have developed. You have this was necessary for you to learn lessons. Some of you grew spiritual. You had spiritual awakening. You're open to more things spiritually. Others of you, your personality developed. You like some of you had a habit of over caring, over giving, and when we are compassionate, it's normal. It happens. We tend to do that. So some of you learned the lesson that forgiving is good, caring is good, but over caring, like, because over caring leads to caring of someone at the cost of our own emotions and health, which is not good. Anything in excess is not good. If you have been over forgiving, that is a wrong thing, because you don't deserve to be treated in a bad way. You don't deserve that. So these are the lessons, and see 12 on the screen. So you have been mirroring your person. You guys could have been mirroring, and also you guys are on the right path now. So that storm and everything, it is finally over. You will experience it, like divine is blessing you. The stars, light, it's finally here, and one of the best decks in the card, the sun. The sun is abundance, prosperity, unconditional love, health, and it is in combination with the divine blessings. It is so amazing, so beautiful. You guys are in such amazing energy. It's like whatever you want, whatever even you think will happen for you. If you feel like let's just say, for example, you're like, I feel like I want to eat this, and you will get it somehow, and you'll be like, oh my god, I was just thinking I wanted this, and I just got it. Like, oh my god, what a coincidence. No, it is not a coincidence. You have been through enough. It's not a coincidence. You are being blessed. You are finally moving to calmer waters. The storm is over, and there is just peace, just happiness, just calmness, justice. It is so beautiful. Like, it's like it's not even like you have to, it is going to be so beautiful. It's not like even you have to I wish. You think about something. It's like you don't even have to say it out loud. Like when we're manifesting, like, just so we visualize, and we write down, and we behave in a certain way to manifest. But you are in this kind of energy. You just think like, oh, I feel like this, I feel like having this, and you just get it, and you go in like surprise. Oh my god, I was just thinking about this and I just got it. I'm so happy. So that's the kind of abundance mode and blessings you are in. So this is just so beautiful. I'll just take out, let's, which deck? What's calling out to me? Okay, let's see for our Virgos. What do we have for our Virgos? Oh, beautiful. It's just like I said earlier, some of you from this incident, you have grown in in a lot of ways. So for those of you who have grown spiritually, like I said, soul expansion. So your like I said, your soul, it's like your soul, like I was saying earlier, that you're open to a lot of things in spiritual areas. Spirituality means combining divination and believing in everything. It's not like, following rules. Like you guys have become spiritual and you're open to a lot of different things and you find them fascinating. So your mind, your conscience has expanded for those of you who have been spiritually awakened. So it's just beautiful. It's like you guys are getting fascinated by different kinds of divination that exist, and it's just so beautiful. It's just so amazing. And one of the best cards that we could have for our earth signs is for our Virgo earth sign, earth connection. So basically, whenever, for those of you, like I said, when you come across this reading, you will either feel the change overnight. The shift will happen overnight, within a week, or within 10 days. So till that time, you need to stay close to nature to ground your whatever little bit energy of hurt is left. So how to ground yourself? Just hug a tree or water plants, or just walk on the grass with barefoot. That's how you are going to ground. Your energy is going to be grounded and it's going to be released, and you will heal, and you will get you will experience the high level of commitment, whether it's career, love, marriage. This is just blessings and abundance. So, and the next we have is, again, like I said, just some of you, first you ground your energy, then we have divine alchemy. So basically, ground your energy, and like some of you, if you are watching this reading and you're wondering, it doesn't feel like it that this is going to happen, just ground your energy and focus on what you desire. It's like, don't think like what I'm saying, oh my god, overnight, within a week, within 10 days, if I'm going to experience it. The given the situation right now, how will it happen? How is not for you to worry. What you need to do is focus on what you desire. Just wish for what you desire and leave the how to universe, to the divination. How is their job, how they will give to you. That is, so you shouldn't worry about their job, how and when and how. That is their job. What you need to do is just focus on what you desire. Just like I said, you're in this mode, like you think of something and it will happen. Just think of what you are desiring. Maybe it's something long term you want. Just think of it and don't worry how. It will happen. So just focus on what you desire and do not worry about the how, because how is not your job. That is universe. Universe will take care of it. So just ground your energy, connect with the nature, leave the how to the divine. Okay, you just wish for it, You just think about it and you are going to get it. Don't think how. Even if it feels real to you, unreal to you. Don't worry, just think, just focus. It's just so vibrant. If I could just if I could just explain this beautiful energy that I am feeling right now in words. I don't think there are any words to describe this beautiful, vibrant emotion, energy, blessings that I am feeling for you right now. So this is the kind of energy, this is the kind of blessings and abundance you are in. Just think and let go of the how. Okay, just ground yourself, connect with the nature, and focus on your desire and let go of the how or unrealistic thing. Just let go of that. Just wish and you will get it. So that is so beautiful. I'll just get one more guidance from this deck for our Virgos. See, we have Angel Raphael here. So healing of body, mind and spirit, like it came in another card also, like in the other guidance also from the different deck. So you're surrounded by angels. Like I said, you're being blessed, you're being healed. All you have to do is just ground your energy, connect with the nature, and let go of how. Just focus on the just that's what divine wants to tell you. Just focus on what you want. Just wish for what you want and let go of how it will happen. That is not your job, that is not your worry. Just wish and see. Just wish and let go of how, and you will see. The more you, it's just so beautiful. Like I said, a lot of you have spiritually awakened, enlightenment. So you guys, it is so beautiful, guys. I would 222 on the screen. Just beautiful, abundant, new beginnings. Just the guidance I have said in this, just in the past few minutes, please, I request you, please try and do that, because it is so amazing. It is like the best energy I have felt in last 2 weeks. This is so beautiful. I would say it again one more time. Let go of the how and just wish. Just focus on your desire, just wish, and it will happen. Let go of the how. Divine is going to take care of that. You don't need to worry about that. It's just so beautiful. I am like just so charged up. It's like when I started the video, I was like a bit, because I did other signs also, so I was like low on energy. If you want, you can just rewind and see how I started. And now when I am almost done with your reading, look at the glow I have on my face. So this is what you have right now. So so beautiful. That's what I have for my lovely Virgos. If you want a personal reading for me, my email would be given down below in the description box. You can give, you want a personal session, you can also, if you want a personal session, you can also reach me through Instagram. You can DM me on my Instagram, and you can follow me on my Instagram. The link will, details will be given down in the description box. So beautiful. I'm just so happy and excited. I can't just you can follow me on Instagram with for daily guidances. That those details will be given in the description box below. And like, share, subscribe, comment if it resonated with you. Of course, like how I've been feeling, just like the video, comment, share it with other Virgos or other signs, just I people need to know this. Like any Virgo or anyone who has their Virgo in their birth sign or whatever, or just you can just share it with your friend, like let's just say you can share it with your best friend, like, oh, I'm so happy, like this abundant energy is here, and your friend might know some Virgo and might share it with them. It will just help other people. So just comment, like, share. I just really want this to reach out to beautiful Virgos. So that's it. I am so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy and vibrant with this energy. I just got distracted. One more thing, yeah. So subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon so you know whenever my readings are uploaded. So stay happy, stay abundant. You will be staying abundant. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Loads of love and light to all of you.